the Hizmet movement, I think people who have had such challenges in their own lives recognize that contribution is not just a once and once all. It's a continuous commitment. It's a life commitment. And so during COVID, the Hizmet community continued to go out and be involved among the people to help to serve the community. And it's really sad that that community back in Turkey is victimized, and for me it reminds me of apartheid times. That the people that belong to the Hizmet movement are experiencing the same discrimination. And for me, that should be challenged, and in no ways should that continue, because the people do such wonderful work. They contribute to a community that helps us to look at our common humanity and continue to do that and serve those who are most deprived and most in need. And where women and children are being detained, and women with young children are being detained, this should be unequivocally be challenged. It should not be allowed, not in today's world and society. So yes, I think all women and every movement that speaks of justice and that stands for justice in our world should condemn what is happening to the Hizmet movement in Turkey, and particularly to the women and women with children there. So that freedom that we fought for here in South Africa, and that Nelson Mandela led the way in us finding that freedom, that too can be yours. And not sometime in the future, but very soon. I pray that you will be strong and stand together and do not lose heart, do not lose hope, and do not lose what you stand for. Continue to do the good work that you are doing. You really are. You're like that leaven in the dough. In scripture, it talks about the leaven in the dough. And the leaven is not seen all that much, but you experience its differences in the way the bread turns out. And for me, the volunteers, the people that are part of the Hizmet movement, you do that. You bring about the change you're doing. And I wish there were more people like you to continue that work. But I also wish that you don't have to be in exile to be able to do that.